To save a video from CapCut to your gallery, simply follow these steps. First, open the CapCut app on your smartphone, iOS or Android. Then if you have already edited a video, tap on the project you want to save. But if you have not finished editing, then complete your edits first. But if you don't have any options available or videos available on your CapCut, then you can tap on the new project and import the videos from your phone gallery and simply edit one. Now, once you are done editing, you can see export button option available, which is typically located in the top right corner of the screen, represented by an upward arrow or export text. You may be prompted to select export settings such as resolution. Simply tap on the 1080p or 4K and frame rate. Select the desired settings for the quality, then tap on the export. Once you tap on the export, you will have to watch an ad to export the video. So once the ad is completed, the export process may take few moments depending on the video length and resolution. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.